everyone, I'm Anita and welcome back to my channel. So it's been getting quite cold lately, and because of that I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks how to style summer and fall items in the winter time. You know, you don't want to buy like the whole wardrobe new, especially in our country where we have 4 seasons. You want to take the most out of what you already have, and honestly it got cold here really quickly. Maybe you even haven't had time to go and shop for like new items. So here I am today and gonna show you some tips and tricks and some outfit options of how to style spring, summer, fall items in the winter time. So without further ado, subscribe to my channel and let's get started! Okay, so for the first outfit, I'm gonna show you how to wear a blazer with long sleeves. Really basic. At least me, I love to wear these kind of things in the summer or in the fall for the evening when I need to be more like formal or it's a night out, whatever. Then I love these things, like these are my go-to. But now that we have winter, it might get quite cold because usually you just put a top or maybe even a dress underneath and just throw this thing on. But in the winter, it's not that easy. So how to wear this is to just put a long sleeve top underneath. For example, this one, I mean this one is cropped actually, but it doesn't have to be cropped, you know, you can wear whichever one you want. You can just throw it on. No one will ever notice that the top underneath you have is long sleeve one. And what I usually do as well is just take a belt. This one is just quite wrinkly, I'm sorry. I just got it in the mail. So just put a belt on top and it looks very chic. Totally like for winter. If it's even colder outside, throw a jacket, a coat, whatever you need on. And I right now have just black jeans and boots like this. But again, another tip, if you're ever too cold, just have a pair of like basic over the knee or up to the knee boots and you can just throw them on whenever you are too cold. And as always, you can find the links to everything that I'm building the outfit around in the description. I got everything from Rosegal this time. I just made like a big order. So you know, all the stuff is very affordable, but you can find the direct links in the description if you're interested. Okay, next up we have colorful bags like this one. I mean, this one just screams for summer, spring. In no way it says winter. Maybe you just leave it in your, I don't know, shelf somewhere and just let it be there. But you don't have to, because, so for example, what I would do is, again, maybe have an all black outfit or just like one colored outfit, because this one is just so bright. It can be like all white outfit as well, for example, or gray, whatever. But have a coat. This one even can have some color. Throw it on. And now throw it on your shoulder. And as you can see, it's just like a totally normal winter outfit. I don't know, what do you think? For me, it seems really fashionable. I really like this look. Just give some color to winter and yay! And if you think this coloring is just too much, then why not just go for a totally black coat? So as you can see, this yellow bag is just such a cool option. Why not? Honestly, why not? Next up, a simple waist belt. So usually we are used to wearing these kind of waist belts over a blazer, just something that's more oversized, like a dress, blouse, whatever. But actually you don't have to stop wearing these belts, because for example this coat is also like very straight cut. But if you want to make it more around your waist, take the same exact belt that you used to wear over a blazer, a shirt, whatever, and cinch your waist in. Voila! Just the same belt, you don't need anything else. And for example, I actually like wearing this coat so much more with the belt. It just makes me feel so much more feminine. So in general, just try wearing a coat with a belt. Next up we have this super summery skirt, and let me tell you, you can wear this same skirt in the winter as well, not a problem at all. Here is the outfit. And voila, a totally winter outfit. What I did, first put on some tights because the skirt is quite short on the side, other side is longer, but you can even wear short skirts in the winter time. Just put on some tights because you need to protect yourself. Then I put on some knee-high boots. This just keep the warm so well. And finally, just a very basic sweater, and here it is. So definitely go to your wardrobe and look over all the things you have, because there are so many ways to wear all the stuff into winter as well. You just have to add some more pieces because of course it's colder. So another thing that's very summery, I'm talking about sunglasses. Why I sometimes use sunglasses and you still could see me wearing sunglasses in the winter time running around the town is because they protect your eye makeup. You know, in the winter it rains, it snows, it also has a very cold wind that makes your eyes water. So, a pair of sunglasses and you're good to go. Your liner will be in place, your mascara, eye makeup, whatever, everything will be in place. So one way to use sunglasses is to use them actually for protection, but the other way is actually just for accessory reasons. For example, I was styling one outfit for my Instagram shoot. I'm gonna put some pictures here. Well, I had red boots and I had some red lining on the raincoat that I had. And I was like, well, something is so missing. Like, I need something more that's red, but that's little. So I was like, hell yeah, I have these totally red glasses. So I'm just gonna use them for the accessory reason, just to complete the outfit. And these kind of sunglasses that look a little bit weird, these sunglasses especially, so people also understand that you're not wearing them because you think it's so sunny outside. It's understandable that you just want to make your outfit look cooler, and why not, you can just put some sunglasses here as well if you have like a lower cut blouse or sweater, and why not just use them as your accessory, they're yours. So I'm gonna make a rant right here, because boots, first of all, really good quality winter boots are not cheap at all. They're expensive. Another thing is that they usually don't look that good either. So I'm like, if I spend that much, I want to look stylish AF, okay? What kind of boots look really good are the spring and summer boots that doesn't have like this thick warmness, nothing in here. It doesn't keep you warm, nothing, but they look good. For example, this pair of boots I just adore, and it was so affordable as well. So what I like to do is that I take a pair of regular fuzzy socks, put them on, and put the boots on. And let's say you want to wear this same skirt with these kind of boots, fine, you can, because leave the same tights on, put the fuzzy socks on, and put the boots on, and you're so good to go. I've been doing this trick for such a while and I never get cold, and my toes get cold very easily, so I'm quite positive that if my toes don't get cold, yours won't either. And the best thing about it is that no one can even see you're wearing any fuzzy socks. Next up, a dress. So this is totally a full-time dress. Oh my god, I almost feel dumb saying it because it's such an easy trick and you probably know it. Add some tights. I recommend you investing in some very good tights that are not just the thinnest one, but has like 80-10 or just even the cotton tights, because it's winter and you can even wear these kind of tights underneath your jeans if you feel too cold. You can just wear them all the time. I get so much out of these kind of tights, and if you want to feel even warmer, then use my last trick that I just told you and add some fuzzy socks in your boots. It's such an easy thing. Fuzzy socks are usually for like staying at home, so we usually just don't even come up with this kind of idea, and that's why I'm telling you this. And the very very last tip and trick of this video of today is especially for the ones who don't like sweaters that much. For example, me, I barely wear sweaters. I have a couple that I like and I only wear these, but all the other sweaters are just there. I think it just makes me feel way too casual. I can only really wear sweaters when I'm wearing like high heel boots or something like that, so it like kind of balances it out. But all the other times, no, I have to come up with something else. And I'm gonna show you what this something else is. I'm a blouse girl. I love blouses. So for example, this one that I'm wearing right now, it's actually like a summer blouse. It's just very very thin and summery, flowy, everything. Summer. But you know what? I thought, no, I'm gonna wear it in the winter time as well. And not only this top, but only a top like that. Oh my god, it looks so pretty on the camera. And it's like off the shoulder little blouse. Oh my god, it's just way too pretty to just let it sit in my wardrobe. Cool. I'm just gonna take a thicker blazer. For example, this one I got from Ivo Nicola. Blouse again is from Rosegal. Put it all over this and see how freaking cool it looks. This is just a perfect option. I can wear my top, I can show my summery side, but I'm also kept warm. So what I recommend in general, you know, you can have as many blouses, tops, whatever as you want, but just invest in a good quality blazer that's a bit thicker, and you can wear all the tops you have, all the blouses you have during winter as well. And of course you have to throw on a coat as well, but I think it's like, I don't have to say it. So this is the end of this video. I really hope that you got some tips and tricks and some things to think about from this video. And these things just help me out so much. And please don't forget that all the items I built the outfits around are linked in the description, and you are free to check them out. And also check out the prices because super affordable. And if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, if you want to see more pictures of me, then you're welcome on my Instagram at Anita Sibul, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Mwah! Bye bye.